at that one. It's Amtrak.
You went in New York.
There's Amtrak.
Pablo divide el agua.
I think it's landing.
Is that one D? Guys, look at this. And the Amtrak train is stopping to the random station. Oh, there's this one. Who's this train? Oh, that's CSX.
Wow, guys.
Oh, we're going this way.
We're lucky that we coming home so we can see it.
See, dude, maybe if we wouldn't taking the hotel, maybe this would have happened.
What do I get out of it?
What, Luna?
What do I get of not going out of the, like not going to the hotel?
What's that again?
What do I get of not going to the hotel? It's nothing to see from me.
What is it again?
You are so deaf, bro.
Oh yeah, it's because all that crowd is so loud. That's why. It kind of looks like Harrisburg, PA, when it's this, but this is different. This is the CSX yard. Yeah, oh, there's the airplane.
Misha and Misha.
No, those are just old containers, dude. Oh, look at this old shipping yard. Because this place is restricted. This. Wait, it kind of looks like Harrisburg, and when this is gonna be like that. Harrisburg, but it's only CSX.
Wow, we are lucky that we don't take a hotel.
Yeah. Except for you. That means we have to be sleeping when you guys are still driving.
Miren, ahí está el network. Miren.
Ahí llegó el aeroplane. Sí, un poquito más lo miramos aterrizar.
This is gonna be our biggest adventure.
Ahí está, ¿ves?
Our great big adventure.
¿De qué lado?
Yeah, number 14.
En un cuarto de milla, manténgase a la izquierda para continuar por Interstate 78 Expressway, Pittsburgh Newark Expressway y sigue las señales de Interstate 78 West, Garden State Parkway.
Mierda.
¿Qué?
No tengo full service.
¿Y dónde está?
Allá.
Oh yeah, it's going.
No. No hay full service, está cerrado.
No, me había uno abierto.
No. El que está allá dice full service tiene X.
Y el otro tiene
Oh. Y este está abierto nomás aquí.
Oh wait, it says E-Pass only. Can you do that
Sí,
one?
el de allá. Pero allá tenía carros viniendo, aquí estaba libre, vamos a ir para acá.
Tiene un X también y te ve gente.
Hey Danny, try going this way. It says EZ passes only.
Este es el tuyo.
Oh, Jerome, we're trying to get the ticket. Oh yeah.
We have to get a ticket to go back home.
Yeah, Jerome, because without the ticket, we won't even come
En
home.
las placas de
Oh.
las cámaras, ¿no?
Otro.
There's another plane.
Otro plane.
There's like so many points are in New York. Hey guys, there's another one.
Watch. Grábalo y ese aterrizando, va, mira.
That's a lot of planes.
Yeah. Llegando, vamos.
Whoa, you might. Oh, there's a bunch of planes. There's a bunch of CSX. That's auto rack. Some train auto racks. Yeah. And I kind of like this city because it has a bunch of CSX than the Chambersburg ones.
Hay otro plane, another plane.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
¿Aterrizando también?
I'm not gonna. So is it over?
Ahorita les escucho aquí.
Hey, CSM. I knew this is Harrisburg. Oh,
A 18 minutos.
¿Ah?
18 minutos.
I don't think.
Quiere decir que vamos bien.
Guy, where are we going?
La misma ruta
Oh.
de ahí.
Mm.
I'm going home, Jason.
Oh, alright.
Sadly, we're going home.
I know.
I don't want to go home.
Look, guy, we
¿Sabrá el mismo sabor, no?
Look, guys, they have an off on Thursday and Friday, so we can possibly go in the future. That's it, man.